Hello and welcome to Smells Like Home Cooking, where we show you our favourite foolproof recipes for you to try at home. Today we're making the most comforting of comfort foods, mac and cheese. This is a slightly different version because we're using a slow cooker, but it's well worth the time. These are all the ingredients you need and I'll put the amounts in the description below. Start by rinsing the pasta in boiling water. Once covered in boiling water, give the pasta a bit of a stir to help prevent it clumping together. Drain the pasta and then it couldn't be simpler. Simply add it to the slow cooker with all the other ingredients. 600 ml of whole milk, 50 grams of diced butter, 20 grams of parmesan, 50 grams of soft cream cheese, and finally 100 grams of mature cheddar. Give that all a good stir together, not forgetting a final seasoning with salt and pepper before cooking it on low for an hour. After it's had an hour, just give it a quick stir, and if it's a bit dry like this, just add a bit more milk. Then put the lid back on and cook it for another half an hour on low. After 30 minutes, it should look like this. If it's a bit too thick, then just add a bit more milk, and if it's a bit too runny, just cook it with the lid off for a bit longer. Give it a final bit of extra cheese on top and season it, and then you're done. A lovely comforting mac and cheese. Well, I really hope you like this recipe and that you try it at home. Please subscribe, like and share, because it really helps a small channel like ours. And we'll see you again soon on Smells Like Home Cooking.